Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand how to run MySQL in Docker container. Alright. So now you know whenever you want to run. Okay, I write down here. Okay. If you need to run any software from in Docker, okay, you need to have image and image can be pulled from Docker Hub. Okay, we all know this, correct? You're done. Okay, if you're not seeing my Docker series from the very beginning, I request everyone please just go there and try to see from the very beginning. Okay, so that it will be very much clear to you. Okay, now I'm opening a browser. Okay, and I say Docker Hub. All right, Docker Hub. Here, all the repository of your software that you require are stored over there. Okay, now I want to see MySQL. Okay, MySQL. Okay, here you will get 1 second. Let me type properly MySQL. This image we want. Fine. So see, this is there. If I scroll down here, okay, they have written each and everything. Okay, how to run. Okay, your MySQL into your Docker Hub. So see, you can see here Docker run hyphen name. Some MySQL. I mean, you have to give some name of the container. Okay, MySQL root password. E stand for environment. Okay, then password, you can write down any password that you require. Alright, so what we'll do now, first thing we have to go to our command prompt. Okay, so what is the first step? Okay, see here, the first step is to bring the image. So I say docker images. Okay, right now there is no image as far as MySQL is concerned. Now you all know, can anybody tell me how to bring the image? So docker pull MySQL. It will take few seconds depending upon your network speed. Okay, then MySQL will bring from Docker Hub into your local machine. Okay, it will take few seconds depending upon this thing. Okay, then what are you supposed to do? When the image has come, okay, you have to write down this command. I'll guide you about this. What is this? Docker run hyphen name, your container name, hyphen E stand for environment, MySQL underscore root password. You have to write the way you want it, and then you have to write down some password as per your requirement. Hyphen IT stand for interactive mode, and hyphen D stand for detached mode. And MySQL is the name of the image. So I'll just copy this. All right. Yes. And by that time, you can see here also. Okay, this is my desktop GUI. Right now there is no container and there is only one image. Okay, now we are trying to pull the image, okay, from Docker Hub to my local machine. Okay, once it is done, then we'll type the command and run it. So by that time, you can go to another command prompt as well. Okay, you can say Docker. I'll increase the font size so that it should be very much clear to you people. Okay, so it's still not there. So by the time, okay, I'll just write down the command here. So what I have written, docker run hyphen name. You can give any name whatever you want. It is the name of the container, and hyphen E stand for environment. Password, you can give any password that you want. Okay, so in my case, the password I have given as root. And we have already discussed about this thing. Hyphen IT stand for interactive mode and hyphen D for detached mode. And this is the name of the image. By using this image, okay, it will make a container. Okay, the name of the container will be S1. Alright, I hope that is very, very much clear to you. Once this is done, okay, it means container is ready, and container is not running into our local machine. Please understand it. Your MySQL will run inside this container, okay, which is being created by using MySQL image. So for that purpose, we have to go inside the container and then run the command, okay, of MySQL. Okay, I hope that is very much clear. Okay, again, I'll clarify this. See, suppose what happens, I'll draw this here to make you understand. This is your container. Okay, this is your container. All right. Now, inside this container, okay, now what are we doing right now? Okay, let us understand this inside this container. Okay, we are trying to make, okay, a container. Okay, and this is your container name according to the example which I am writing here. And image we are using MySQL. Okay, image. All right, MySQL. So it means, okay, by using this MySQL, okay, we are running container into Upload. So in my example, S1 is the name of the container which we are generating from MySQL image. So it means when you try to run now MySQL, that SQL will run inside this Docker. Please understand, this is your Docker, and there is one container with the name S1, and S1 has been made by MySQL image. Same way you can have n number of containers. Alright. So let's see whether the image has been downloaded. Yes, it has been downloaded. Alright. So just say Docker images. Okay, you can see MySQL. Alright. Now I'll go to this. Okay, so we have written this. Okay, I'll just try to run this. It will take few seconds. Okay, now if I go here and I say Docker PS, PS stands for process. If you want to see all the running container right now into your system, okay, you can see it. Either you can see from here, okay, or you can go to the desktop of it. Okay, you can see MySQL container there. Okay, this is your S1, the container name I have given, and inside this you have this MySQL. All right. So it means now container is S1 and it has been made through this, and it is running port 3306. I think very much clear up to this thing. Now we would like to run MySQL into our container, which is the container name S1. So for that you have to write down the command. Okay, this command you have to write down. Okay, I'll just run it. So this, okay, what is Docker extc -it S1. What is S1? The name of the container that we have just generated, and bash. Okay, it means we are going inside the container. Okay, now see it. All right. I think very much clear. Now we are inside this container. Okay, the next command you have to type is, okay, just write here MySQL. Okay, and P. Now you should provide the password that you have mentioned the password here. In my example, the password is root. So I am typing same. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, MySQL. Now show database. Okay, you can see here, right? If you want to create a database, Suresh. Okay, now again I say show database. Okay, you can see the Suresh database. So now this MySQL, okay, it is the same prompt that we run in our local machine, but now in this example, okay, we are running it inside this Docker container, and the name of the container is S1. So I hope that is very much clear to everybody. Fine. If I want to come out from here, okay, I just say exit. 1 second. Huh? What is go? I just okay, exit and this to come out. Perfect. Okay. Yes. So I'll just come here and I say this. Okay. Bye. Again I have come here. Okay. Now I say exit. Now this is my local system. Okay. I did a simple mistake here. You just write down exit. So you will come out from here. Okay. By will come, then you say exit, you are into your operating system. Now, we are not inside the container, rather, we are into our local environment. I hope that is very, very much clear. Okay, thank you for watching it. If you really like this video, please like it, subscribe it, okay, and share with your friends so that they should be able to understand things in a very simple way. Okay, we'll try to explore more and more in the next session. Okay, please see the series of Docker from the very beginning.